Okay, so I was just recording the video and I heard a noise over here. Yeah. I'm gonna take this off now. Yeah, I heard a noise over here, so let's investigate. I heard it more in the bush. It sounded like it was in the bush more. There's something coming out. What was that, a monster? Don't know, I don't see anything. Yeah, probably.
Mind, have you seen the spiders everywhere?
Yes, I have. You showed me the other day. And
There's
yeah.
loads of them. You just walk through there, and there's a big one here.